Oh. So right now we're in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and Sheila and I will lost Sheila. But we'll find it. I'll find it. Very easy. Okay.
About 2 or 3 years ago, they wanted.
Good thing there's no music here. No music playing, which is always a good thing.
So there's maybe after we're done meeting at the
Canadian feeding the bird, you know, as wild birds, and the bird is coming to get fed. How to find it? Choose them. Can't find them. They don't know.
What? March. Nah. No. Oh, good. I'm doing it right. Oh, shh. Where's he at? Daddy.
Nagasaki here. Let's go to Nagasaki. Sorry guys, my fingers. So this whole thing here might be a Japanese walk. Just a quick walk here. Something like that, huh? Art gallery. What is love? Number 17. was in the district, so you know, the dogs like Americans, boy. Wild. District pizza. Very fine. This playground is used by the student of the voice integrity. It's a playground. Don't figure it out. Oh, I see what I did. I just made a loop. So this is the garage that we park our car down there. That's the garage. So I know how to find the garage when I need to come back up. This is an old building right there.